Good morning, my beautiful viewers. This is James Carpenter with Country Living. Today I'm going to show you one of the simplest, cheapest, and most efficient ways I've found to handle firewood. And once you see it, you might never go back to stacking wood the old way again. I picked up 10 IBC Totes for $35 a piece, and I'm turning them into portable firewood storage units. Clean, organized, and best of all, no more handling wood 5 times. Question for you right out of the gate: how are you storing your firewood right now? Stacks, or racks, or piles? Now, I've been around firewood a long time. Heating with wood is rewarding, but let's be honest, it's also a lot of work. Cutting, splitting, stacking, moving, restacking. That's a lot of handling, so I started thinking there's got to be a better way. That's where these totes come in. I get my firewood from a local Amish sawmill. Good hardwood. Cut-offs. Here's the kicker: $35 for the tote, $35 to have it filled. That's $70 total for a ready-to-use firewood system. Question for you: would you pay $70 for a tote already filled with hardwood, or would you prefer to cut your own? Now, for those who don't know, these are called IBC Totes. That stands for Intermediate Bulk Container. They've been used for decades in agriculture, chemical transport, food-grade liquids, industrial storage. They're built tough, steel cage, heavy-duty plastic liner, pallet base, perfect for forks. And once companies are done with them, they sell them off cheaply. And that's where guys like us come in. We turn them into something useful. Alright, let's talk about how we turn these into firewood totes. Tools I'm using: side cuts, impact gun with a star bit, jigsaw. Simple, nothing fancy. Step by step, remove the top bars and plastic. Cut the top out with the jigsaw. Clean up the edges. Remove any leftover waste material. Set them aside for staging. Important tip: always open that bottom valve. If you don't, rainwater will collect, and now you've got a tote full of wet wood. Nobody wants that. Question: have you ever grabbed firewood and found it soaked? Drives you crazy, doesn't it? Now here's where this system really shines. Once these are filled, I use the tractor, pick up one tote at a time and move it right up near the house. That means no wheelbarrow, no arm loads, no back and forth trips. Just pick it up, set it down, and you're ready to burn. It's clean, it's organized, and it saves your back. Now here's where this system really shines. Once these are filled, I use the tractor, pick up one tote at a time and move it right up near the house. That means no wheelbarrow, no arm loads, No back and forth trips. Just picking it up, set it down, and you're ready to burn. It's clean, it's organized, and it saves your back. Question for you: would this system make your life easier during winter, or do you enjoy the workout? Now, these totes aren't just for firewood. People use them for water storage, raised garden beds, compost bins, tool storage, trash containment, livestock feed bins. I've even seen guys turn them into mobile deer blinds, outdoor sinks, rain collection systems. That's the beauty of something like this. It's not just cheap, it's versatile. So there you have it. A simple low-cost system that saves time, saves your back, keeps your wood clean and dry, and turns something industrial into something practical for everyday life. Now I want to hear from you. Would you try this? What would you use these totes for? Got a better system? Let me know in the comments. If you got value out of this video, hit that like button. Drop a comment. I read every one of them. Subscribe and hit that notification bell, because we're always building, improving, and finding better ways to do things around here. And as always, thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.